Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage onboard computer. In the beginning, from the home page of the car, tap this button. Here you can manage driving distance, range, average fuel economy, instant fuel economy and average speed. You can also adjust home screen display settings. Next, you can find mileage history trip, refuel, energy flow, tire pressure, and alerts. In settings, you can manage vehicle alert information and vehicle customization. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.